Hey guys, my name is Sid, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how we create a lookalike campaign for our clients based on their successful case studies and all that, because this campaign works pretty well, and it's one of the first campaigns that we actually run for our clients in most cases. So we use Ocean.io to find the lookalikes basically, and we also have another tool that we use called Panda Match, but currently we're using Ocean. We switch back and forth between that. And by the way, if you hear any weird noise right now, that's my dog snoring, so please ignore that. But let's get into this, right? So this is Ocean, and basically what you can do, this is how the interface looks. So what you can do is, this has the regular filters, like the employees, the industry tags. So this is supposed to be really good for SaaS companies as well. It's pretty accurate. You can filter out by pretty much a lot of things, right? Website technologies, traffic, and all that as well. But the best part about Ocean is the lookalike search. So let's go to lookalikes. So you can give company domain, you can give multiple company domains, companies basically, and that's it. And it works really well, right? You can also give a description of the company that you want, but we usually don't do that. We just go give domains. So for example, let's give Jane Street. .com. This is quant firm, I guess, a trading firm. So Jane Street Capital. There you go. So we get 3,672 results. But one thing is, if you go to show advanced options, you can keep the targeting as high, but if it's change it to very high, it's even more accurate. Gives you only the top results, and you can choose that. So it comes down. It will come down now. From 3,000 to 907, right? So this is good. And if you want, you can get the filters here as well. If you want to reach out to companies between 50 to, let's say, 500 employees, you get 330, right? And if you want to reach out to in the US, the United States only, let's do that. And maybe even Singapore as well, because they're pretty good with quant, I think. Maybe not. Yeah, I think they are. But yeah, so those two, for example. And now what you need to do is, so now you have an export limit, right? Inside Ocean. So we have a way to bypass it. Now, before I show you what we do there, I'm going to be showing you the alternative. Instead of using Ocean, instead of subscribing to Ocean, if you don't want to do that, you can, if you do this inside Clay as well, you can, for example, let me show you. It's a Clay, create a new table, and find company lookalikes with Ocean.io. So you can choose, if you have an account, you can use the API. If you don't, then you can use the credits as well, Clay credits, right? So 1 credit per lookalike. So you can give continue. And again, let's just give janestreet.com, right? Giving that. Domains to exclude, primary countries. All right, so let's give United States, Singapore. All right, company sizes 11 to 50, 51 to 200. Right, and that's pretty much it. And I'm just going to limit this. Sorry about that. So I'm going to be limiting this to 10 results and continue. New blank table, and let me mute. I want to mute that. All right, so we don't hear any weird noises. Right. All right. So we got 25. Okay. 10 results. Okay. So we got 10 results. Company, this is core value capital, and you can just work from here, right? So once you've imported inside Clay, you pretty much know what to do after this. Enrich, find the people. Right? You want to find the people, you can just go here, click find people at these companies, whoever you want, job title and all that. Go enrich them, find their emails, phone numbers if you want, whatever you want, right? And then create a campaign, email campaign, LinkedIn campaign, whatever you want to do, you can do that, or just export the list. And you want to do something with that, maybe even run lookalikes. So what you can do, not lookalikes, sorry, you can run ad campaigns with this as well, with the links that you have. If you want to target these specific accounts, you can do that as well. But that'll be very super useful. There's a lot of ways to use it, right? So that's regarding Clay, how you can do this inside. But now let's go back to how we scrape the websites here pretty much for free, right? So we use this tool called Octopars. So Octopars. All right, I'm going to be showing you Octopars. Right. So this is octopars.com. So it's free as well. There are paid plans, but the free plan is good enough. You can. So this is Octopars. What is this? All right. So this is Octopars. So I created a task here, and this is the template that I'm using right now. This basically what it does is you just give the link, paste the URL here, and just automatically logs in and scrapes all the data really. So one problem with Ocean is you can't just scrape using regular scrapers like instant data scraper and all that, because it won't allow you to scrape these links. So the way we do it in Octopars is basically get the link of the image, and when you see the image has a link, so it's like goes along the lines of cdn.ocean.io / the domain / a lot. So the domain is still part of that, and then we can extract that and basically use that for our purposes, right? Enrichment purposes and all that. So let me show you. So when we so we're scraping this now, just copy this link, go to URL, paste it there, click apply. I'm just going to quickly run you through this. Right, okay, run on your device. All right, so I'm going to be showing you. Let's see if this works. Sometimes it doesn't, so you have to go back and fix it. But I already did it beforehand just to make sure it actually works. All right. Let me fix this again. I don't know, something wrong. Alright, so I'm gonna be. It's pretty annoying, that's for sure. So I'm gonna be. Let's see. Turn that down. Standard mode. So as you can see here, it's scraped the links basically, and it also has the domain of the company, right? And that's what we need. So give me 1 second. Should work. There you go. All right. Right. There you go. It scrapes the websites, and if you go see, it extracts everything. And this video, I'm just gonna stop now. I've already exported this, so you can just export it, save it, and import it to your spreadsheet, use Excel, whatever it is, your choice. And then this is how it looks. So there's a limit of up to I think 10,000 rows or links that you can scrape, and that's good enough, right, at a time. So 10,000 rows at a time. So URL, this is the URL that you get. So as you can see, it's cdn2 ocean.io, company's logos / the domain of the company / blah blah blah, the image, right? So what we really need, the domain. So just select the column, go to data, split text to columns, custom / there you go. You get all the domains here, and I'm just going to copy this, and I'm showing you quickly how we do the enrichment. Let's take Apollo for example. You can do it anywhere really, inside Clay, Apollo, but this is just easier. So let's go inside people, company, include, exclude list of companies, paste it here, save and search, and there you go. You get all of them, right? And just use your regular filters, whatever you want to use. Sometimes we do this, sometimes we don't, because we go to Clay and we find out the emails of the invalid, unverified ones on Apollo as well. Apollo isn't too accurate, so we use other enrichment tools to get the right emails and get more emails actually, right? So you can choose employees here if you hadn't before. If you want to do more segmentation, or you can just go give specific keywords that you want. You can really do anything, right? And then just export this, export from here. So that's pretty much how we use Ocean, and we get this data basically back to Clay, and we do all our enrichments, whatever we need to do, write the copy and send out send out the emails basically. And we usually get pretty good results, because how we do this, how we position, we basically talk about what the company does, how we helped, let's say Jane Street, one of the clients has worked at Jane Street. Let's say, we reach out to another trading firm and we say, we help Jane Street do this and this. Would you be interested or something like that? But it's not the exact script, but you know what I mean, right? That's the value proposition. That's how we position the case study as well, because if Jane Street is a really good name, and they're pretty similar, it just makes a lot of sense. They usually will have similar problems, similar pain points, similar goals as well. And it's a competitor, so they'd obviously like to get ahead of the competitor as well. So that's how this works. If you have any doubts, let me know. If you don't know what to do, just hit me up. Right? You can find me on LinkedIn as well. So I run an agency called Fidos. We help startups, agencies, B2B companies, software companies, and agencies basically, generate more pipeline. We help with GTM and all that. Right? So that sounds interesting. Reach out to me and let's talk. For now, bye bye.